Hi guys, welcome to this short video about how to create a do-it-yourself battery holder. We are talking about AA or AAA battery, and it should be capable to be used in a battery charger or discharger and not only for storage. I've already seen a couple of different constructions online, and this is my own construction, and I personally think that's the fastest, cheapest and easiest solution, but of course it's personal preference. My personal goal here was to avoid any gluing or taping or 3D printing, those things, and just using things which most people are having at home anyway. So there shouldn't be any additional cost. So how do we start? We cut off just a piece of cardboard, a little bit larger than a battery, a little bit longer, something like that in this area. And then we bend it around the battery and we create some holes, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. The distance has to be a little bit longer than the battery, not much, just a little bit. To make the holes you can use something like that or Phillips screwdriver. There are a lot of different possibilities. Then we need 2 pieces of wire. If you have the insulated wire, you have to uninsulate quite some distance here, maybe 2 inches or so, and then you have to bend it like that. I mean, this part should be straight more or less, and then from the part which you have uninsulated, you bend it a little bit up and then down and then straight again. And we need 2 pieces of that, and we need small piece of rubber band, and that's already it. Of course the shape on the other side is depending on what you have. Here I have the discharger, and so I had to bend it a little bit around to match into these holes here. So how this works, we push these wires here with the tip through the holes in the back, here as well, and then we need the rubber band. It has to be somehow a little bit shorter than the battery, of course. If it's longer you can do it 2 times, like something like that. So we are putting this around here. That could be a little bit tricky. Maybe it helps when you have some helping hand, but it definitely works also alone. And then we push it to the other side here, and then same thing on the other side. Go around the wire and secure it in the back, and then we have something like that. If you want to make it perfect, you can bend around the end here in the back to secure it a little bit, so it's not being pulled out back or so. I think that could definitely help. You could make it even a little bit longer. Yeah, maybe it's a little bit short here. I think now it's better. So it's not being pulled out too quickly. And that's already it, more or less. And so we can push this battery here in between, and the good thing is now we can work a little bit with the wire and the rubber band. I mean, it's not a perfect solution, but it should be possible to make contact here in the back and also here in the front. And so I'm connecting the 2 ends here to the battery discharger. And now let's turn it on and see if we can get some discharge, and you can see it starts working right away. So we are a little bit closer and you can see that it's fully discharging, absolutely no problem. And we can easily remove the battery and put it back, and you can see first attempt it starts working again. Of course we need a different size when we want to go to AAA, but for me it definitely works, and I hope it will work for you too. So if you have any questions or comments or better solutions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.